every night. Been communicating through satellites, yeah. It's black and white. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new to my channel. Today it's Friday, May 15th, and I am just having a chill day. It's 1:12 right now. I woke up late this morning. I woke up around, I think, like 11:30. I've been letting myself sleep in, and I've also been kind of staying up a little late. Since I don't have class, I've kind of just been taking it easy and just enjoying the days that I get to sleep in. I picked up a summer job, so I start this coming Monday. And I'm super excited. I'm working at a esthetician office, and I'm working at the front desk. So that's what I will be doing for the summer. And also I got my grades for the spring semester. I made 4 A's and 1 B. So I'm super proud of myself. I had a GPA for the semester, I think it was like a 3.6. And then my cumulative GPA overall, I think is like a 3.7. So super proud of myself. I worked super hard this semester. And especially the transition from in class to online was really difficult. So I'm just glad that I was able to manage that and still do well. Also, I don't know what is going on with my skin, but I am due for a facial. My birthday is next Friday, so I scheduled a facial for next week. And super excited because my skin is like long overdue for a facial. I'm also trying to get my nails done next week. I'm pretty sure the salons are opening up, but I called them like 3 times and no one answered. So I don't know if they're like still closed, but on Google it says that they opened on May 8th. So I have no idea. I'm gonna try and call again because like I really need to get my nails done, and I really want them to look nice for my birthday. So it's kind of gonna be like my little birthday gift to myself, I guess, and I just want them to look nice. But I haven't really done anything this morning. I made some breakfast, made some coffee. It's in the fridge. I haven't added almond milk or anything. I'm just letting it chill in the fridge. I'm currently watching some reruns of Chicago PD right now and finishing my smoothie, almost done with it. And I've just been really like enjoying not having to do homework or go to class or anything. So I'm really just enjoying that. Like I said, I start working on Monday and I'm super excited for that. Also, I'm taking a summer class. I'm taking my second statistics class, and that starts July 6th. So I still have like a little over a month to enjoy my summer. But the class is also online, so it shouldn't be that difficult. I made an A in my first stats class, so I think I should be okay in the stats. But if you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you guys can see some more upcoming videos. Also, let me know in the comments down below if there's any specific video you guys want to see. Since I am on summer break, I have more flexibility to film specific content, so let me know in the comments down below. I am picking up my car later today. I haven't vlogged in a week, so I'm just gonna catch you guys up real quick. This is gonna be like a 6-minute clip of me talking, but I'm just gonna do like a little update. So last week my car wouldn't start, and like it was unlocked and it wouldn't start. So my dad like charged the battery, and then the next day it was fine. Like I drove it and then again recently like 3 days ago, I tried to unlock my car door and it wouldn't unlock. So my dad and I took it to the dealership, and come to find out the battery is like, it needs to be replaced. So they replaced my car battery and it is ready to be picked up. So my mom and I are going to pick it up later today. I've been doing a lot of HIIT workouts. I did one yesterday, super intense. I was dripping sweat. My body is still sore. I kind of want to do another workout today, but I think I might do like a lighter HIIT workout. Just because I've been going so hard on HIIT workouts this week, I just don't want, I feel like my body is like crashing the more I do HIIT workouts. So I might just do a lighter workout today. And that's all I have going on right now. So I'm just gonna chill in my bed, watch some Chicago PD, and I'm going to do my skincare routine here in a little bit, and I'll catch up with you guys later. Hello, Abby. So this is what I use for my under eyes, and I've been using this for a while and I really like it. Julia and Hunter Havens also use this, and I just think it's like funny because like Hunter always like talks about this, and he always has to like put it on and can't go like a day without it, and I just think that's funny. They're like one of my favorite YouTubers. I watch their videos like all the time. Okay, skincare is done. Except for this stupid pimple. I swear my face is like, oh, your birthday's coming up? Okay, great. Let's throw a pimple on your face. Whatever. This is gonna be gone by next week because I'm getting a facial and she's probably going to pop it. But anyways, skincare is done. I brushed my teeth and I think I'm going to make my coffee. So I'm actually going to vacuum my room and make my bed and do some laundry because I haven't done laundry and it's been a while. My laundry basket's like overflowing. So I'm going to vacuum my room and I'm going to fast forward myself and I'm going to be going in like 100 miles per hour while I vacuum my room.
Sugar be sweet, and the world
my mom and I just picked up my car. It's 4:20 and I need to put gas in my car. So I'm stopping at the gas station to put gas, and then I'm going home because I am hungry and I have to pee like really bad. So I'm gonna put gas in my car and go home. Preparing my tuna chickpea salad, and I need some more cilantro, so I'm gonna go in the backyard and cut some cilantro because we have like a garden out there. So I'm gonna cut some cilantro and wash it and add it to my salad. So this is our garden. Dad and I planted this, and here's our cilantro. So I just cut some yesterday, as you can see, and now I need more, so I'm gonna cut some more cilantro. Finished eating a very late lunch. It's 5:05 and I want to wait like an hour to about an hour and a half to digest before I do a workout, because I really don't want to puke everywhere since I just ate. That tuna chickpea salad is really good. I got the recipe off of like I just typed it in on Google, and the recipe is on there. You can just like type it in, but I can also like leave the recipe down below for you guys. Super good, and it's a great like healthy lunch or dinner recipe idea. So I actually made that yesterday and I had leftovers, so I decided to eat that for lunch today. And I'm just going to start editing this vlog because I think I actually might upload this vlog tonight, and while I'm digesting, I'm going to edit this vlog and watch some TV and just chill for about an hour. Okay, so I just changed into my workout outfit and I'm about to do a small little HIIT workout. I'm gonna do this 10-minute cardio HIIT workout by Cummings, and then I'm gonna probably do a little bit of abs today. So this is a Nike tank top that I'm wearing, and then I'm wearing a Nike sports bra, and then these light gray leggings I got from Forever 21. So I have my mat right behind me, and I'm just going to go ahead and start doing a workout, and it's 6:15, so let's go ahead and get started. I just finished my workout, and it was a good workout. It was just kind of like quick. I didn't burn that many calories. I only burned 101 calories, but I was kind of expecting that because I wasn't planning on doing a hardcore workout today. I have been doing very hardcore HIIT workouts all week. Yesterday I did a very hard one and I burned, I think it was like 316 or 330 calories. It was like over 300 calories. So I had a really good workout yesterday, and today I just kind of wanted to like get up and like move my body and do like a quick workout. My abs are really sore right now and I'm all sweaty. I did some stretches as well, and so now I'm going to hop in the shower and eat some dinner, but I think I'm gonna end this vlog here because I don't have anything else going on tonight. I'm just going to basically just chill and watch TV. So yeah, I don't have anything planned. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, If you have any content you guys want to see, let me know in the comments down below and I will do that for you guys. Also, if you're a new subscriber, let me know in the comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.